What's the meaning of bile duct? Bile duct. Bile duct.
Bile duct. Bile duct. The bile duct is a tube-like structure that carries bile from the liver to the small intestine. Bile is a greenish-yellow fluid that aids in digestion, helping to break down fats and absorb fat-soluble vitamins. The bile duct system consists of several components, including the left and right hepatic ducts, the common bile duct, and the cystic duct. These structures work together to transport bile to where it is needed for optimal digestion. When there is a problem with the bile duct system, such as blockage or inflammation, it can lead to a range of health issues, including jaundice, infection, and abdominal pain.